Hello everyone. So I've decided to create a new website because I wanted to start fresh and be able to get a clean website and promote everything that I want to promote. Um, I believe my portfolio design will be really clean and nice colors, and everything will coordinate well together. Very light colors and bright because that goes well with my personality. I've decided to organize it with different pages to follow, like my resume, work experience, links to my socials, and things like that. Um, I plan to use this portfolio when class starts to really build it up and make sure that it's a site that I would want to present to employers and be able to give them something nice to look at and a really good description of myself. Um, I want to communicate through this portfolio with everything that I have learned throughout school, as well as different internships and kind of my personal brand and how I want various companies to see me. As you can see, I don't have very much done yet, but that's because I've decided to start a new one, as I said, and I really enjoy um, taking fun photos as well as social media. So that will be presented a lot through my brand and through my website. I'll also have links to different projects that I've worked on, and that will be organized throughout my website. So, yeah, thank you so much, and I look forward to this year.